Welcome everyone, welcome. I hope you are doing well, guys. We are back in our live streams. We are trying our best to make it happen. So guys, yes, I have been missing for a couple of weeks. I have been a little bit sick, but we are back. We are gonna make this happen together. We are gonna be explaining the market. Don't forget, please guys, to like this button. It takes nothing from your time. Just press this button. It's technically nothing, just a click far away from what makes us happy. So yeah, we are gonna be explaining what is happening regarding the Bitcoin. This is the BLX chart. That's the reason you don't see update Bitcoin right now at 50,420. But I am here because I'm gonna be watching a little bit what is happening in the facts of the charts right now. As far as you can see right here, okay, we want to see the stochastic down on, as far as you can see down here, the stochastic still falling on the weekly chart. So the weekly chart doesn't look so great at this point. Okay, so this means that market either needs to consolidate more or to fall further to the downside. So this is what we are watching right now. This is the main point. So today we have a weekly close. Okay, Williams are looking nice, so we are gonna be also checking out how this helps us. We should see this retracing to the upper side so we can see some further price action. Okay, so yes guys, things have been very bad for Bitcoin the past weeks. So a major point to hold is, of course, this hidden line, okay, from the past on the weekly chart. So we should see this kind of coming and reversing. I don't think that this can pop all the way up directly. I think that we will see some further price action, consolidation. The thing right now, guys, that if you are going closer to the chart right here, is that we broke this major resistance support line that this have been for really long period of time. This is like almost 2-year trend line. So the bad thing at this point is the fact that this is not retracing to the upper side. So we should see this coming all the way up and passing the 54k. So guys, the thing I want to mention is the fact that I cannot turn bullish technically if Bitcoin doesn't come all the way up to surpass the 54k. So that's my main issue right now. The thing is that this trend line is going up and up and up, and we cannot reach it. So if we are not reaching this trend line, and if you guys want to ask me, could this be a scenario that we are kind of consolidating on the downside and then going up? Yes, this could be, but this most likely is about to come and test 1-2 times and then fall further to the downside. So this has to be broken. This level here, it's something we should break to the upper side. Okay, so please guys, stay tuned with this. Watch carefully. The chart is not looking great. Of course, major level to watch, the 40,000. I said, guys, we are coming all the way up to the approximately 52k. I mentioned this 51.5. You can go back in the videos and watch. I said, be careful with this area. We're gonna retrace to the downside. Yes, this is what happened. So this was kind of predictable right here. So now we are gonna be checking out what is happening live. Okay, live. The fact is that we are at the 50.4k, and these are the daily chart. We see the market cipher very nicely, the momentum waves coming all the way up, but guys, the money flow just start going to the downside. So this is not looking so good. This is not looking good. So bullish thing, at least for a while, is that on the daily, this is coming all the way up and gives us some bullish divergence, and this is the good point. This is the good point right now. Another thing you should see, okay, is the fact that meanwhile, I've mentioned this, 1, 2, 3 points. This is the lowest point on the RSI. This is looking great because meanwhile we are falling, okay, meanwhile we are going up, the RSI is falling, so this means that we are in a good way. We have bottomed pretty much. We should see some further price action to the upper side, but this price action should surpass, as I said before, the 54k for sure, and then we are watching further to the upper side. So if you have any questions, of course you can just write them down in the chat, but guys, be cautious. We are going to be also checking out what is happening to the shorter time frames. I want to know about your trades. If you have been, guys, trading this period of time, I have been staying out a little bit because I want to let the market decide. Either we go to the upper side or to the downside. You see here, guys, we have major resistance line. We came close back one time. I said to you guys, we are retracing back. This is what happened. So now, are we going to have a second attempt? The point is that the CME, it's back, okay, to the 48,490. You understand what does it mean? You understand that every time we are watching, we leave gaps in between. You know what is happening by Mondays or Tuesdays. So this means we cannot leave technically a gap. The good thing though is that the wick of this is to the approximately 50,290. So guys, I don't know what to say. The gaps are getting filled. Here we filled it up just with wicks. So it could be a scenario. It could be a scenario that we don't leave a gap at this point where we are right now, maybe to come a little bit to the downside, but things are a little bit tricky regarding the gaps. So we don't technically leave gaps in general. It was one gap down here, unfilled, the last moment we have seen, but as far as you can see, the gaps are getting covered. So what does it mean? We are gonna retrace and come back to the 30k, guys. This is a scenario right now. So what I'm saying is that if we are going to break all the way down and retrace, sure. The thing is, we haven't seen any retrace. We are just constantly falling. We create a huge wick at this point. Okay. Welcome everyone. I just want to say welcome to everyone. Just press this like button, guys. Cost you nothing, really. I would appreciate as much as you appreciate this stream, I hope. So what I'm saying is that we should see some further price action to the upper side, so we can kind of say, okay, either this is a break to the upper side, we are coming back to the bull market, or guys, we are falling to the downside. Also, another thing I would like to mention is that, you know, guys, we had this very nice news that we are gonna be giving away $200 of Ethereum. This is a gift for Christmas, just for you guys. The only thing you have to do is to just subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications, like, and of course go and write a comment in the video I've posted. You can find the pinned comment section down below. You can find everything there. And you also not gonna win. We are not gonna have one winner, we are gonna have two. We are gonna be also giving a Ledger Nano S to store your cryptos inside I hope guys you love these very nice gifts. The only thing is to just go like, subscribe, press the bell button for all notifications, comment down, okay? Please guys, make the effort so also others can participate to this very nice giveaway. I hope you guys appreciate it, and also it's a very nice thing so we can grow our subs, okay? So it would be very nice if you guys are promoting this a little bit, not so much, just as much as you want. So yes, we are going to be also checking shorter time frames. Guys, please takes nothing from your time to just like the video, okay? It takes nothing. And yeah, we have like further price action to the downside, not only on the chart but also on the other side. Things are looking that they have been oversold at this point. Many people are asking me, guys, are we going up? Are we breaking everything? Well, this is what we call price action, okay? This is what we call price action. We want to see this breaking major resistance points so we can understand that the market and the money is coming in. Things now on the market cipher, many people get in this kind of trap. This is an expensive oscillator, I would say, okay? It really does, it has a very good money flow, okay? It's giving bullish divergence on the momentum waves, but guys, this has to retrace. The money flow has to recover. It's on the red zone right here, okay? So we should see this retracing, and this is not there yet. So this means money constantly leaves the market. So please don't forget that things are not looking so clear right now. That's why we let the market breathe. There are opportunities. You can work yourself, guys, with different education. You can educate yourself either to become professional traders. We also have the academy, everyone knows. We are sharing insane content. We are really, those courses one-to-one, they play out like crazy, guys. People are not just making money. It's massive what we have made all these years with the academy. I appreciate so much the effort from our students. We have been training so many people, and yes, it's very nice the fact that we have taken out from difficult situations people that they have been either students or poor people that they haven't had any kind of access to what we call financial freedom. And what we have made is actually insane. This is what I'm proud of, not about the money, not about anything. So as far as you can see right here, the volume is falling. So an imminent move either to the upper or to the downside, it's gonna happen. I, guys, expect most likely consolidation. Christmas is not looking so good for Bitcoin, and not only for the Bitcoin price, but also the manipulation of the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. So what I'm saying is that the market is looking very, very tricky. So if you guys believe that they will leave us to have a Merry Christmas, I don't think so. So it doesn't look that great. I expect consolidation for the Bitcoin price, upper, downside, whatever, okay? So you see that we can continue consolidating to the downside. If this is going to break to the upper side and make me feel wrong, then I feel very happy. But this is something I am not watching right now. I don't expect this right now. We are gonna be also speaking about the Ethereum. Let's take a breath for a while. Stay tuned. We are coming back to check out what is happening with the Ethereum price. Back to the Bitcoin chart, we are going to be checking out a little bit what is happening right here, right now. People are stressed. Oh my God, we are going up and everything is going mental. So yes guys, I told you we can come all the way up and check out this kind of levels, the 52k. I'm not surprised if we come right here. I let the market breathe. The thing right now is the fact that we are technically finding a top right here. So I'm not impressed if we are gonna be breaking this level, this 50,890. This is the level I'm watching right now for the Bitcoin price. Yes, I would say that technically we are going overbought right here. So overbought means that we most likely going to see a kind of retrace to the downside, maybe breaking again the 49.5. I don't see any kind of pump that goes mental over 52.7. I don't see this happening, guys. This is a technical target of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. You have seen me maybe checking out what I'm saying at this point. Okay, what I've been checking on the chart. This is an inverse head and shoulder pattern that can take us all the way up. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. So now I believe that Bitcoin, it's gonna consolidate for a while. I don't believe that we go all the way up and then we are just continuing this bull market. This is not a chance for me right now. I see, guys, a lot of money leaving the market. That's a bad thing. It's not looking great. Okay, that's the whole thing right now. For this to prove me wrong, this means that a lot of money start coming in the market right now, and we are not coming to lower than 40k. 40k is a key level to watch. 42k, even better. I hope we don't break this kind of levels. So don't get impressed. I'm not saying we go down, we are gonna be on a bear market. We are not in a bear market, we are not in a bull market. So where are we in? We are ranging. Okay, we are in a range territory, we are consolidating technically, and this is what happens. This is what happens, believe it or not. We are in between here. Okay, we are in between here. So this is a consolidation area. As long as we are inside the 0.618, the 0.382, this is a consolidation area. I said it back here, I say it now as well. So don't think that this breaks and we are happy very nicely. I hope this happens, but it doesn't show like this at this point. Okay, it doesn't look good. Okay, now going back to the Ethereum, sorry for the mess in the chart. Those lines, if you go back to my videos, you will see, you will understand. I have been designing the green and the red area where we have been down here. Believe it or not, go back and watch. Okay, I designed these areas where we have been when we have been down here. You can go back and watch it from September or October, as far as I remember. You will find everything down here. Okay, so approximately September, October, I designed those two lines, those two areas. So are we technically here? I would say we didn't even miss a point, right? So as far as you see, this long week, this kind of event that happened with Bitcoin on a Saturday took Ethereum all the way up, and now we are holding perfectly my support that I've been designing back in time, very far before we even thought of we are coming right here. So this is what is happening. What we should watch right here is this resistance line, this support line. Okay, this support line and this resistance line, and we have to break this to the upper side. We have to break this to the upper side. So now, what in the world I'm expecting right here? Okay, is that Ethereum should retrace to the upper side as long as Bitcoin is consolidating. So I believe that Ethereum should go up, and it has to kind of break this resistance line, something that is pretty difficult right now. So why am I saying that? We have bullish divergence, but this doesn't mean that we have accomplished the downside. Okay, and now you will ask me, why all that? Because bad or good, Bitcoin has the chance to pull Ethereum to the downside still. Now, is this going to change? Of course it can change. But I want eventually to see Ethereum taking everything and the whole market. Now guys, I don't know what you believe and what you say regarding the fundamental side, but what I'm saying is that we should think that Ethereum has too many projects working on, like this NFT thing, guys, is technically based on Ethereum. Ethereum is the future of the NFTs, and NFTs are going great, especially now with the meta, and the meta is taking the whole thing up. So I also start searching more and more about the NFT space, and I figure out that it's gonna take a while until this bubble is explodes. So I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure for what the future will bring, but while we are speaking right now, meta is here, is gonna stay, and yes guys, as long as NFTs existing, it's gonna be a way to enter concerts, enter web seminars, enter different stuff by you holding NFTs. NFTs are not just pictures, there are tickets. Okay, there are tickets for you to that they will show you the entrance in case in the future wanna enter a big congress or something. You might gonna need to have one of these passes to enter. So you have to think clever. You should, I believe, start thinking of owning some of the NFTs, like real non-fungible tokens, that they can also help you out to understand the environment, not just to have them, but just to understand the environment and also start analyzing what is happening. So yeah, what we have on the 8-hour chart, as far as you see right here, okay, we would like to break this kind of symmetrical triangle on the RSI. This is beautiful. It's gonna show us the entrance for further price action to the upper side, but this means that also Bitcoin should go to approximately 52k. And yes, this is what we are checking right now. So we have here a resistance line. So the price target is approximately 4,270 in case Ethereum is choosing the way up. But also this means that Bitcoin shouldn't stop at this point, because if Bitcoin stops at this point, then we are coming back to the 3,800 for the Ethereum price. So let's go to the shorter time frames. Yes, this broke to the upper side. We have also a technical target right here, okay, and this is taking us from the breakout. Yes, it's again the upper side of this resistance line. We are not overbought yet. This broke already, as far as I see, just a little bit, so we have some time left. And if you guys wanna trade this, I wouldn't say that is good time, because it's Sunday night. Everything can literally change, and things can look a little bit tricky regarding to what happens on Monday morning. It's Sunday night, and also we have the CME gap. If Bitcoin goes higher than this price, until now we are pretty much covered with the return back at the 50.4 to the 50.3. So I would say that this is a good solution in case you don't want to be in a trap, so don't trade this thing. I think so. So this is not a financial advice. I'm not trading at this point. I want to let the market breathe and show me a way, as far as I said in the past as well. Yeah, the dump of Bitcoin was something that I had my supports at the 52k. After this broke, technically it's throwing a lot of thoughts regarding to what is the bull market right now, because guys, technicals are very simple. When support is breaking, then you do B. If the market shows A, you do A. When the market shows B, you do B. So if you would turn after the 52k your trades into shorts, you would make a lot of money. So that's why I'm saying I have been doing a couple of shorts back these days. I made some money on scalp. It was a nice one. So if you have the confidence to be a professional trader, that's why I'm saying to you guys, educate yourself, because you can make money out of nowhere. Many people have seen what we are doing, and we have been showing insane stuff. Okay, so it's magical to just know how to trade. Is an extra income, and it has no rooftop. Okay, many people make millions but just day trading. You can do this as well. Educate yourself. You want to do it with us, good. You don't want to do it with us, no worries. Just educate yourself. We don't have any kind of issues. I'm just saying to you guys, educate yourself, because if you have just a couple of thousands, do not throw them in the market. The market will eat your money alive. Okay, so that's all I'm saying. Let's go take a breath. We are returning back to check a little bit more what is happening with the Ethereum at this point. I hope this pump will break the resistance points right here. So it's good that we are checking a little bit further what is happening in the market. Back in the charts, we are going to be checking out a little bit what is happening on the higher time frames with the Ethereum price. As far as you see right here, this is falling constantly, the momentum waves on the even the 3-day chart. And yes, RSI is diving even further. What we should see is a very nice support and then break to the upper side. We should hold this kind of support level right here, because if we don't do it, then things are not gonna look good for Ethereum either. So guys, the most likely to happen right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum is technically consolidation period. So we should see also the fact that the 12-hour chart is looking good, but the resistance line on the RSI is looking still a little bit tricky. If this breaks to the upper side, shows a clear sign of a breakout, okay, and then confirmation, yes, we are ready to start opening trades at this point, okay, to the upper side. That's gonna look great. So now the 8-hour, the same thing. As far as you see, also we are watching that momentum is looking a little bit blurry. Things are going down here, okay, things are going down at this point. So I would like to see some further price action to the upper side, because this is not the best scenario what you should play at the moment. And I want to, of course, watch this resistance line breaking. Please just like this live, takes nothing from your time. If you appreciate what we are doing, the content we are sharing right here, right now, guys, don't forget that you can also attend the giveaways for the Christmas. It's something we are doing almost every year. We give away we are giving away something very nice today. This year we chose to give 2 gifts. The one is $200 of Ethereum, and the other one a Ledger Nano S. So with $200 of Ethereum, guys, you have to think that you can easily buy, let's say, an NFT that can literally generate you so much money in the future. It's crazy. So it's good to educate yourself on NFTs and find out maybe something very good, a very nice picture or something that can literally generate money for you. It can make it even 50-60 Ethereum, I don't know. You can find something very nice. You can educate yourself. People are doing it. You just need time, guys. You just need time to educate yourself, and you can make it happen for you and your family. Just find clever ways to figure out how you can end up to the financial freedom. Financial freedom is what you need. Clever money, smart money. This is what you want. Make money work for you, and don't work for the money, like Robert Kiyosaki says. So a very nice breakout to the upper side. We said that this has 2 resistance points right here. The one is this one, the other one is up here. Also is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. At this point we can figure it out right here. Yes, this is the inverse head and shoulder pattern. It's a little bit extended. However, let's say that this could break all the way up, and yes, this gives us the technical target again to the 4,340. Very nice if Ethereum is reaching up there, but guys, think that it could be a very nice short position at this point, okay? This is not a financial advice. You do however you feel and you want, guys. We are here just for entertainment reasons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you out. I hope you will enjoy the Christmas gift we are gonna be giving away today, approximately 9 days from now, and I hope you will enjoy the 2 very nice gifts. And that's all from me. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications, and see you in the next one of Crypto Minder. Bye bye.
about me.